Hello guys, I've been debating if I wanted to make this video or not. It's going to be short, but if you're having brake what can I say, if you just got your brakes done, replaced, and you're hearing like a chucking noise, clicking coming from the back rear tire, it's kind of like squeaking and kind of like clicking. So if you just got your brakes done, basically the person didn't do it right. This piece inside, it shouldn't move. It shouldn't move. It should be pretty much basically tight in. That means the person, I did this. It was my first time doing the brakes. So what I did was, come on out. Dang, I gotta listen too. I gotta, shoot. I gotta do this first. So basically, the person either moved these on the brake pad, on the back of the brake pad, or they got moved while you're driving somehow. I don't know how it's possible. I don't know. But it was my first time doing brakes, and I actually moved it back because I didn't know how to put it in. So it's supposed to fit snug. Don't move these pieces. If you need to kind of get in there to kind of make it go in, if you know what I'm saying. So basically, it should be this tight. I'm not using this one. I don't know what's going on with that. I'm going to use this one. I'm just showing you that it should be this tight. Should be no movement within this, or you're going to get the cracking noises while you drive.